Hello! Kim here.
Ruthie here.
We are going to bake cookies because I'm domestic. Ruthie, what's the first thing we should do when we want to bake cookies?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands? No, it's try to con someone into baking cookies for you. Just kidding, it's wash your hands. Let's wash our hands.
That's done.
Good, good. Now what's the second thing we should do? Read the directions. There we go, read the directions. Here we go. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I already did that because I think ahead. 350, we're good. It's almost preheated. Fabulous. Oven preheated. Cut dough into 1/2-inch slices.
We haven't done that.
No, we're gonna do that. Scissors! Okay, get all the ovens ready. Okay, I don't know where that even went. Ah! Okay, cool. Are you gonna eat that? Oh no! You know, there's a big thing right on the package that says do not eat raw dough. And you, big fat, did it anyway. We want pretty cookies, don't we? Pretty cookies. Watch out, the big knife! Is that 1/2 inch?
Yep.
Okay, cool. What is that, math? Measurements? I don't know. These look uneven. Look, they're thicker on one side. That's not good. Aha! There's a good one. Oh, yeah.
That was a good one.
That was a good one?
Even gooder.
Even gooder? I don't know, I'm a professional. Obviously, I should have been a chef/baker in my profession instead of YouTuber. Do you think? Should I have been like a baker?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with these now that they're all cut up?
Put them in the oven.
Put them in the, okay, but you mentioned something about sprinkles.
First, you put sprinkles on.
We're gonna put sprinkles on. I got sprinkles. Hot pink, crystal-y looking things that are nothing but sugar and food dye. You wanna put these on before we bake them? Like maybe 1/2 of them?
Put them on the ones that weren't good.
That weren't good?
Yeah.
The ones that look fun, that look kind of funny because
Yeah.
I obviously know exactly what I'm doing.
Yep.
So maybe the ones that are the prettiest ones we should put on the cookie sheet. Okay, so that's a pretty one, right? Yeah? And this one too, maybe? Yeah. I should have been a baker because I'm really good at this. Here, put this one on. Carefully. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Here's our pretty ones without sprinkles.
Yeah.
Now let's sprinkle these sad puppies. Sprinkle these. That's probably enough. Glitter! Oh! Jeez! Oh, okay. Okay.
This one doesn't have some.
Here. Okay.
Now we're gonna.
I told you, I'm really good at this. These are sad. Okay, how long are we supposed to cook it for? 11 to 14 minutes. Okay, ready, put it in. Maybe like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't.
You don't get burned.
I didn't get burnt. 11 to 14 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
11 minutes, and then we'll check them. See you in 11 minutes. And they're done. And they're a little burnt.
And they're stuck.
No, they don't suck.
I mean stuck.
Stuck. Oh, no, they shouldn't be stuck. Now they have to cool? Question mark? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Look how these turned out. Now we gotta try to get these onto this plate. Yeah. Look, we made a giant cookie.
Yeah.
I'm so good at this.
That's very big.
That's a giant cookie. That's what we have is a giant cookie. Here we go. Look how pretty your sparkly ones turned out.
Can I taste one?
it not good?
Let me try one of these.
Yeah, try a sparkly one. Try that. Better or worse? Or the same?
Better.
Better. Okay, let's put frosting on. We're gonna be putting cream cheese frosting on. Here is a little baker's secret. I always use cream cheese frosting because it's my favorite.
Can I smell
Smell good? Okay, we're gonna put it on this cookie without breaking this cookie. Yay! Here we go, here we go. We're gonna sprinkle some of them and not sprinkle other because husband doesn't like...
Sprinkles.
Yeah.
Can I sprinkle some?
Hold on, let me get all these frosted and then
I will sprinkle.
then you can just sprinkle the top. This one almost looks okay.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
Sprinkle! Okay, they're not the worst cookies. That's good. They look okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now we're gonna see how they taste. Which one are you gonna taste? Cheers. Good luck. It's better with frosting. Yeah? Did we win at cookies? Okay. Now we're going to say goodbye. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. You can count on me for thoughts and feelings, motivation, and baking adventures.
Share this video with your friends.
Yeah, do that. Thanks for watching!